A food blender is a common kitchen appliances that can mix or make a puree out of fruits, vegetables, or sometimes an iPhone. But leave that aside for now, because right here we have a HETCH Multipurpose food blender that actually cooks. Now, before we get into the cooking part, let us just take a look at inside the box and see what accessories we get. Yeah, never gets old. This massive part in bright orange right here is the engine, the brain of this blender. At the front here you have a big LCD display, and the buttons are actually touch sensitive instead of physical buttons. Then comes the second most important part of this blender, the glass jug. It is very heavy because the glass is very thick right here, and apparently there is a heating element at the bottom, so that actually provides the heating ability for this blender itself. If we look into the jug, we can actually see it comes with an 8-blade razor, which should provide sufficient cutting and blending ability. We have the lid and the steam release cap that goes on top of the lid, and you also get this mixer. Let's say you want to make slushy. Interestingly, they also included a metal sieve, and you also get the instructions manual and a recipe book. And lastly, they also conveniently included some cleaning tools. Now it is the time for us to put together the blender and see how it works. The cable is roughly 1 meter long, so if your kitchen outlet is slightly further away from the counter, perhaps you should get an extension for that. This blender is very easy to put together. Unlike the traditional twist to lock mechanism, this one you just have to align the connector and the rubber feet at the bottom of the base, and voila, you are done. So you just have to remember, put on the lid, twist to lock it, then put on the cap, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching our unboxing of this HETCH Intelligent Multipurpose Blender and Soup Maker. Stay tuned for our next videos because we're going to cook some meals using this.